Okay, f of x is equal to 3x cubed plus mx squared minus 17x plus, where m and m are constants. Constant means that they're numbers. Given that x minus 3 and x plus 2 are factors, find the value of m and m. Okay, so there's a number of ways of doing this question. I'm going to do it the easiest possible way. So they're telling me that x minus 3 is a factor. So I could find the root by letting it equal to 0 and find an x is equal to 3. I can do also the same with the other factor by letting it equal to 0 and it's equal to minus 2. So they are called the roots. And the idea of roots are, that if they're factors, these are the roots. And the idea of roots is, if you substitute the root into the equation, the answer should be equal to 0. So here's the equation. Okay, so if I substitute 3 in, plus n, and if it is a root, which it is, the answer must be equal to 0. So tidying this up, this becomes 81 plus 9m minus 51 plus n equals 0. So tidying that up is mn plus n, and 81 minus 51 is 30, so it'll be equal to minus 30. I'm going to do exactly the same by putting in minus 2. So 3 bracket minus 2 cubed plus m times minus 2 squared minus 17 times minus 2 plus n. That would be equal to 0 because it's a root. So that will work out to be minus 24 plus 4m plus 34 plus n equals 0. So 4m plus n. If I tidy this up, that becomes 10, so it becomes equals to minus 10 if it's brought over to the other side. So here's my two equations that I can put together and solve. Okay, so 9m plus n equals minus 30, and 4n plus n equals minus 10. So if I change the signs in the bottom line, minus, minus, plus, they cancel out. 5m is equal to minus 20, m is equal to minus 4. And if I resubstitute that back in again, so 9 times minus 4 plus n equals minus 30. So I've taken this line and I substitute minus 4 in. Minus 36 plus n is equal to minus 30. So n is equal to, comes across, n is equal to 6. So there's my two answers for m and n.